Let's talk about the interface of our new system today. Then let's first take a look at the standard handle here. Standard 1 double circle plus 1 large circle. Before we use it, you need to connect these two handles. There are two channels A and B in total. One connecting through the color of this socket. If it is red here, you can plug it into this orange interface. When we hit the bottom, it will walk a click. This is a lock prompt. At this time, the jack is well connected. Must be plugged in. If not plugged in, when using the machine, there may be some anomalies. Then there are the precautions regarding the use of the machine. We can follow the prompts on this label. Avoid. The first is about the operation of the machine. We are not allowed to plug or unplug this plug. And during use, it's also wrong for us to turn like this. And that is about the machines. It's within a meter. We do not recommend putting other machines, or rather, put the machine too close to this wall. We did it to make room. Air cooling for the machine. It will work better this way than the handle of the machine. We are not allowed to put it on metal countertops or put it on the panel of the machine. Finally, when the machine is in use, this lid is not allowed to be closed, because when the instrument is working, the two fans on it circulate heat dissipation. When we close the lid, there doesn't circulate here, devices inside, on the main board, etc. This will malfunction. We know that. Connect the power card to the instrument again. Turn it on again. After we turn it on, the boot logo will appear on the interface. Then click to enter. At this time, the operation type selection on the function appears, such as human manipulation and animal therapy. Let's take a look after we enter. This is human manipulation. Here is the location selection menu. So we click on the graph. You can click the up and down arrows to adjust. There are 4 cans. There are prescriptions for each of these 4 types. For example, we choose A. Click to switch. You can choose from different prescriptions. There will be different banner changes and frequency changes on this side of it. Then you can see below. This frequency during treatment can be shown here. This frequency can also be adjusted by customers during use. We will give Hz the treatment suggested in this prescription. So for example, 10 Hz. If the customer thinks this 10 Hz does not meet his treatment expectations, then he can increase or decrease. Then adjust and click Start. It will change this frequency. Will be stored on our previous prescription. This is the setting on the frequency. And here's what happened. This row will continue to treat in this order. This is when starting the work. It will only be here. I can also demonstrate here. We can switch by pressing this button. This prescription, if there are multiple modes, you can switch it yourself, or after this mode of treatment is completed, jump therapy. Let's look at this piece over here. This piece is the setting of plus or minus time. This is start and pause. This is the stop. Here are the slow frequencies and superconducting modes. That's the overclocking pattern. Slow frequency refers to our current prescription. The frequency used is the slow frequency. If it is this overclocking mode, its frequency will change greatly. This will show your frequency operation of 4 kHz. Operating at this frequency, our circle recommends a very short use time. It is generally recommended that he take about 5 minutes. In this way, the temperature of the circle will rise faster. So the customer has to stop the machine from working. Give the circle a certain amount of time to dissipate heat. We normally just use this slow frequency operation. Regarding the understanding of F1 and F2 above, this refers to the setting of 2 frequencies. The current frequency, there is only one frequency. Then in the case of a frequency, it can only set up F1. If it is 2 frequencies, for example, this one has 2 frequencies. The frequency of F1 is 20 Hz. Adjust F2 here. The frequency of F2 is 12 Hz. If you want to make adjustments, it can also be set separately. Because of this frequency waveform, it's being treated in 2 frequencies. So they switch here. After switching, adjust by adding or subtracting. This is the purpose of F1 and F2. Then about the oblique wave. This is the button for the oblique vibration wave. After entering, we can click the add and subtract arrows here, increasing the penetration depth of this oblique wave. This is the highest value of the oblique wave currently. This is the lowest. Regarding the use of resonant waves, the frequency should be kept below 10 Hz. Only the energy output of the resonant wave above 10 Hz is gone. Above here is setting the intensity of the energy.
强度。
Then let's take a look at the menu again. The bottom two buttons here. These two buttons are shortcuts. For example, click the menu here.
点击菜单这里，选择我们的
Select the treatment for this body part. Then come back here. And you can see here an indication of the treatment, a legend.
鼓励。
Body parts are divided by region.
区域划分的。例如
For example, hand pain treatment,
或者
all
脚
foot,
的腰部的
waist. You can quickly switch through this shortcut. And then there's the pelvic floor treatment.
治疗
It's easier to understand
好理解一点。如果
if
是
this
我们
is A.
这个 A 的
It's an acute pain
疼
procedure.
痛急性疼痛的操作，它
It treats
的
pain points.
图例呢是按照痛点来进行治疗的。
We can see this figure. The instructions of the white dot above prove to be therapeutic.
治疗的
A pain point in this part of the shoulder. Customers can follow the instructions of this white dot to find pain points in customers for treatment. And about the head, transcranial stimulation of TMS. Its treatment can also be used
在
here.
这边进行使用。
We click here. Go back and look at the interface of the animal.
这边我们
Here, we can choose according to the type of operation. The settings for entering all interfaces are the same.
是相同的。
Same operation here. After clicking, you can enter it. Set the type to operate.
类型之后
Then proceed to the prescription selection here.
把它选择。
Normally, we have set it up for customers in advance.
后
After selection,
之后呢，
start directly from the first one. These are all the same. These are the same as the buttons mentioned above the original
这
interface.
些按键的用途是相同的。
And we'll start again here, about the parameters in the settings. ABCD here. ABCD corresponding to the operation interface. The four types of treatment.
然后
For example, type A.
A 的类型，然后
It will be divided into this here.
这边的1、2、3、4、5，往下面切还有
More prescriptions down there.
对方案治疗。然后
Then the plan here.
方案呢，
Its parameters are set in this area.
进行设置。
Such as energy settings. What waveform does it need to use? And then fine-tune its parameters.
它的工作这些的时间参数。
Here is the waveform selection for frequency.
选择
Working time parameters.
时间参数。
This is a single frequency, so it almost only has this one time here.
这一个
So for example, I pick two frequencies. It will appear on two frequencies.
然后选
Then select the frequency. Adjust the parameters here to set. These are working hours.
那个时间。
and this resonant wave set during treatment.
它设置的这个谐振波。
If the customer scrambles the parameters, want to call it back, just click this reset button. Remember to store all the parameters set above. It will be stored in this location.
25的位置上面。